Hey guys, this video is going to be about the package I just received today, and this time I got 3 squishies. So first, I got this bitten bun. I got this excited face, and it's very squishy and smooth on the back. It also came with the keychain. Next, I got this donut that has a bite taken out of it. It came with the pink frosting and the white flour drizzling. It's also very squishy. And when I got it, there's like little teeny bits of like extra, I don't know what it's called, but there's like things sticking out of it. Anyways, and last but not least, I got another donut, but it's the chocolate frosting with the multicolored sprinkles. And the bad thing about this is that the sprinkles, when I first got it, the sprinkles already started to come out, and I wasn't really happy about that. But other than that, it's very cute and squishy. And it also came with the keychain. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!